It's like a very bad range to be trading. How is exams going? Exams are done. Exams was done on Saturday itself. So not Saturday, sorry, Friday. Okay. Oh, it's pretty hard to trade today. We are in this bearish gap. Also, we are like pushing higher. If I get good shots, it's better. Otherwise, yeah, it's like too hard. We have like small SMT here. That literally pushed very hard. Hourly, it depends on how it closes. It's like very tough spot to trade. What's it doing? Yeah, we are in that 50% mark. If I get any shots, that is better. Otherwise, no longs. And I currently switch my trading setup though. I'll be streaming from monitor instead of my this thing. Do you believe in numerology or astrology? No way, bro. 0% negative. Okay, that's nice. 1 second, let me clean my camera. And this also took like previous day high. Any shots better? Uh, yeah, we took out that previous day high. We took out these highs. We have London low also. I hit a freaking banger today. Where is that? I took first trade here. I took first here on this inversion right here. Okay, on this inversion I took longs right here. Stop was exactly at this body. Look at that. I got wigged out, and I knew that it's proper wigged out candle. After we pushed again higher with this candle, I entered right here again. Enter. Where did I enter? I entered right here after this close. I knew that it was a wick down candle. I just got wigged out by like 1 point, and then yeah, this was this was my target. But ES at fast, ES at first, so I had to close this trade. I got around 2.5 R. 15, 5. We are in this 5 minute gap. 15. 4 more minutes. We'll see how it goes. We traded into EQ of this high to this low. Nice. Any bullish setups, fine. But my draws are like very bad. Who do you think is better, Dodgy or Blake? Obviously, Blake. Blake is 100% better. I like Blake, the way he trades. Okay. We have like a tiny 2 minute gap. The next high is gonna be this high. I can't try. 1 more minute, it has to hold that level. 24.76. Right here. Oh, yeah, so the 2 minute is pushing lower. ETC analysis. There's nothing much, bro. ETC. BTC, I don't take trades on like lower time frame. It's not supposed to be taken on like 1 minute time frame. Seriously, if you go on to like higher time frame, it's obviously bearish. Where did all my drawings go? Depending on this gap, it's still bearish. See if you can take any sells till these lows. Yeah, I took out that high. Probably will go to this previous yellow. That's your draw. Oh, did I miss any short setups? Just took out the slow. Again, any longs is fine. They swept out this low again. 15 close bullish. What's the time? 8:15. If I close strongly, I can take this. High, low 50%. If it wants to like continue higher, I really wanted to take out the slow. Did I take out here? Nah, here it's a bit different story. Here it looks like he just wants to go lower. These London lows. Probably gonna avoid taking longs. If it like closes properly, then I'll take. Otherwise, if this candle doesn't close, I won't take. Like properly. Yeah. Nope. We already took out London low here, so we have that SMT. It's not that it has to go down. Oh, sorry, SMT right here. Yes, didn't take out this low, so we just pushed higher. But we made like relative equal lows. Very good draws. And currently on like higher time frame, we trade into this 50% mark. From here, either it has to do this and take out this high, or if this trend continues, it should continue to take this low. So it's like a proper key level where price is currently trading. Have to make sure the direction is right. That's it. Probably I'm missing this. I can take this, but doesn't feel like it just wants to go higher. It just started to slow down. It would have been better if this takes out the slow and then pushed higher. This could like eventually push higher, but it doesn't feel like it wants to go. The thing is that ES is telling me it wants to go lower. ब्रो बैक टेस्टिंग में प्रॉफिटेबल ही नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ, क्या करूँ, किसको फॉलो करूँ, दिमाग का लेसन देंगे एडवाइस. Back testing that you have to figure it out on your own. That's the thing, no. Back test for like 100 hours straight, you'll get to know where you're doing mistakes. Try sticking to any strategy, bro. Anything works. It's not strategy problem, it's your risk to reward. It's basically your risk to reward problem. Otherwise, the trade management which you do. It's going to this 15-minute low. It's not working. But the mass internet, I don't know, it started lagging. Yep. Such a good decision not taking this. Oh, I missed shots. Did I? Nah. If I took the shot, it would have been like instant break even. And then If it wants to go lower, might. It can push higher. Here we have SMT with this low right here. I was excited because of the accumulation and now it went TP. I invested on 2 minute invest. That's typical trading problems. Does it happen that you don't get trades on some days despite looking for 1 minute entries? Yeah, it does happen. Sometimes it usually happens though. When draws are not clear, it happens. On this inversion longs, SMT relative equal highs. So gonna be big. No 2 minute inversion. Is there a 3 minute? No, 5 to yeah, that's the highest time frame. Yep,
Order filled.
it did close above that. Got enter right here. Are you using OBS? Yeah, I'm using OBS. Sometimes OBS sucks. So I'll explain you guys why I took this trade. So there's a high, there's a low. It's after the market open created. So we trade into this 50% mark. We noted this 1 minute gap. It was like the highest time frame gap. Also, we made like relative equal highs. We have SMT with ES. ES is like this, where NQ is like somewhere else, like this. It's a very good trade. It's actually a plus 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 setup. I don't know if it'll work. It's a no news Monday. That's the only problem. Volume has to pick up. This has every single thing which I want in trade. Relative equal highs, like very good draws. SMT, a 50% mark. Bro, this like quoted confluence trade. I don't know how I have like so many confluences today. Come on, man. Work. What happened to price? It's not even moving. This internet sucks. Supporting that. Mm, Not exactly. You will get cooked, buddy, respectfully. It's fine. It's my money, though. Why do you care if I get cooked? Yeah, finally out of that. Now it should like give daily candles. Oh, Frank is wrong. It's fine. One more minute. The new 4 hour candle is gonna open. It does look good. Should like continue pushing higher at least till this side. By that time, I'll be break even. If it goes in other ways, will you be looking to take another trade? It depends on setup, bro. If it gives, I'll take one more trade. That's it. I take max to max like 2 trades a day, or else three sometimes if I'm sure. Yeah, it's pushing now. Oh damn! See, volume picked up the new 4 hour candle. This would be my like strict break even. Is it giving like a 1 to 1 at least? Nope, 1 to 1 is somewhere here. Yep, 200. It was like classic A plus setup, like A plus plus plus. A setup like this can't be like. Yeah, I know. There's a 1 hour gap. See, if it touch this high, my stops are like break even. Now, right now, I'll move it to like this low right here, this fair value gap low. So yeah, my stops are like reduced. If it takes out this high, my stops will like complete break even. Okay, let's see. Let's go. The volume is picking. It does look good. Just like not a single setup that can beat this. Like I saw every single confluence like aligning, except one thing, which was this. If you go into like higher time frame wise, it's like trading in that 50% mark. I feel like, oh fuck, damn, that's my complete break even GG trade. If I didn't know you can like right click here, no overlap position, it won't overlap this thing. I'll take one right here. Okay, one sell there.
Order filled.
Nice volume. Confirm. That's partials. Let's see if the rest will comes to that. Bro, making like $200-300 is enough for me because I already took one good win in London session right here. Uh, I already took a W right here from this to this. I hit a like around 2.7 hour trade here. I got wicked out here and then I took that trade. So I'm up already on the day. So yeah, we'll see if it goes. Usually I like trade reversal out of this. But yeah, today continuation. I too thought to take it, but I was done taking like two for the day. Nice W though. Where is Frankie shots, bro? Where is Frankie shots? That's fine. Yeah, it's GG. It's fine. Do you guys like the color at least? I changed my that I changed my colors to like the screen. I experimented with like a bit of colors. Came up with this. Now what do we have? We have this 3 minute protection, 5 minute order block. Yeah, good enough trade. I didn't want to like take partial, so damn, that's a very good push. I should have hold it. It was around like $400. Fine. Okay, yes, I want to took. Yes, also took that high. Look at this candle, bro. It's just like straight up bullish. We're making straight line. Come on, like make a bottom with push higher. If it inverts on like 30 seconds also, I'll just close the trade. Till that gap holds already. Yeah, that's like very good rejection. That's bad. We inverted like in 30 seconds. Even I can't find anything, so I'm just holding until this next 15-minute high. There's the next 15-minute high right here. Even I didn't find any such good drawn liquidity. I'm like really concerned because of this high to low. We're exactly at this discounted area. It's straight up rejecting now. I would have taken like this 30-second entry to shorts. That's the only thing. This was like my short setup also. Uh, because in like higher time frame wise, we trade into this side, this low 50% mark, and we noted a gap. So I would have reverse engineered here. This 4 hour also took out that high. So I usually trade this candle right here. We'll say it's break even. So yeah, took one partial. Either TP or star break even. Yeah, when because like think it like this. We have more on offense side or defense. Here we have this gap protecting like 40 cent will create like a 5 minute gap. It might react there and then push price higher. Just create a grab row. And then like 3 minute we have this gap. It took out this low right here. 1 minute like full gaps and 15 minute just not 15. 5 minute this order block. You only trade NQ ES. I only trade NQ. I don't even trade ES. Only NQ. Sometimes I trade gold. There's like a 30-second inversion right here. That's the only problem. That's the trade which I take usually. I could have like closed the trade here, reverse trade. It's fine. Let's see. We are trading in that 5 minute gap. There's like a good defense. And no fine. Uh, volume really picked up. Probably break even. Yeah. This gap will hold or not, and we'll get to know in like 3 minutes. Today's sellers are getting wrecked. I don't think so. The thing is that sellers might come now. Usually this happens like almost every single day. Oh damn, I didn't get stopped out. Yeah, it's like edging my break even. I don't even know how I'm in this trade. Sellers usually come once we take out this 4 hour gap. Oh, what? Who? See, what was that? Some aggressive buying came here. This is why I like futures. I would have got stopped out if I trade like CFD firms. I feel like sellers will come now after we take out this high right here. This I would have like reverse engineer to like low till this low at least. Probably they'll be getting wrecked now. I don't know how I didn't get stopped out. I was like $19. They took a buy in London and why am I looking for buys after it hits? You can do that. Damn, we are still in the trade and it's pushing really good. This shot right here I would have got break even. That's the thing, right? Here we tapped this order block rejection, nice flip. 18 second if we like close like this, creating like one more block, that'll be nice. This right here, close like this, above that. Uh, like this. Are we taking like ES? If ES takes out this high, I'm just gonna close this trade. If it takes out that high, then we'll have like divergence again. We'll just put a this thing. Alert. Hope it doesn't hurt my ears. Usually it hits that and then pushes lower. Just gonna remove my earphones. Are you using PV model? It's actually a combination of K and PV, and PV model I use for like draws on liquidity. Rest all is like entry was and all is like from Kane and TGR. That's where I learned from. I use this concept a lot, that unfilled 15-minute gap, like target wise, where to target. This gap is holding. I'm gonna move my stops to like a bit more profit right here. The 5-minute close. This is what I hate. The 5-minute close is like really bad. I wanted it to like close above, but we tap this rejection wick. It should continue pushing higher. Don't go into like consolidation mode. This is the pain like trading no news Monday. How come this didn't hit yet? Oh, yeah, I'm so lucky. The thing is that I got a bit late entry. Otherwise, I would have got stopped at break even. Even the inversion retested again, retested the low. Kind of lucky that it took me a bit lower. But it's like very slow right now. It's so slow. We did invert this gap. Is it gonna hold or it's gonna fail? Blah. It should fail. Markets are like so slow right now. Hit this draw. I'm gonna close my full trade. This also it took out that high. We have like very good low resistance liquidity. If it runs, it's good. All these highs. Okay, first nice push. I knew this gap won't hold. Now it should like invert. It inverted this gap, right? It should just continue pushing higher. It should do that if it wants to like be bullish. Just take out like all this low resistance liquidity. Come on. If you look on like 30-second time frame, that's like proper low resistance liquidity. After all this, if it stops me at like break even, I'll kill myself. How is it that it's not taking this high? That really sucks. Nah, it's like so bad. It's like so slow. That's the problem. You almost made like again relative equal highs right here. Should give like one flip. That was like nice closure. I feel like the next candle should push. Now this way really, yeah. Was like no, it's probably would have tried to snipe this entry right here. Okay, that's a nice inversion. We took that relative equal highs. Now at least volume should come. Otherwise, like no point. Did ES take that high? I don't know how ES is struggling. Last one tick, bro. I'm gonna close this trade. I'm not holding any longer. How did we make like relative equal highs again? Come on, man. Don't reject from there. But it's so boring right now, bro. Mondays. I hate Mondays. Just struggling everywhere. Come on, man. How hard is it that it has to hit this like proper relative equal highs? Not in kidding. Take that high. No. Made like perfect equal highs. This kill should just push higher. Like plus like full volume TD candles. There's no turning back now. Yeah. Stops about this high right now. Sorry, stops below this though. Just gonna trail it. It's about to take. Give a very good push so I can start like trailing aggressively. Come on, Diddy candle. My ears will burst. Will bring a magnet. It still didn't take bro, three relative equal highs. Come on. How hard is it? I just took. I'll see if it can push strongly, otherwise, nope.
Order filled.
Was that so hectic day? 1 to 2. Made around 300 something. 413. It didn't give that push which I wanted. Once we like take out these highs, right? If there's like a good draw right here, it'll just rip higher. It just like took like a sweep and then it started to push lower. I feel I'm good with this. This might like straight up project or straight up push higher. Okay, bro, it wanted to push higher. It's fine. I thought I'll get stopped out, so I didn't get that. So making money is fine. Uh, Probably the draw would be this high. This is like a good draw, but other than this, there's honestly nothing. How is gold? Oh, gold at least moved. 4 hour. There's like no bottom we can't like 4 hour. That's like too goated. Any cells from yeah this area? We took this previous 4 hour candles. I have like clear inversion. Do we? This 5 minute already reacted here. 15 minute reacted. Bro, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Later it pushed. Someone is giving my stops. But yeah, we overall it's nice. I didn't expect it to go this high also. I feel like ES would have given like a better risk to reward trade. Sometimes it does. 1, 3, yeah, 1 minute. Same trade, but you have to take here. Nah, it's very cooked. How are you 400 down? Don't take trades on FOMO, just chill out. Bro, how do you do this? I've been trading from like 2 years and still my trading is bad. It depends on how much you backtest, to be very honest, how much you review your journals. It takes time, that's the thing. For some people, it might take 6 months. For some people, it might like take 2, 3 years. For some people, it'll take 6, 7 years. And it really matters on how you do it. Do one thing, go backtest a lot. Trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. Backtest, figure out what's your mistake. Either one problem is you won't hold trades for longer. Either you hold it for like too long, your risk to reward is bad. It it mainly depends on two things. This math, I don't know why Indian people are so dumb to do this. They don't understand. Okay, so one is win rate. Okay, I'll tell you full key of becoming like a profitable trader. Other one is risk to reward. Okay, some guy in Instagram. Okay, some random guys in Instagram is capturing 1,000 pips. Okay, 1,000 pips, and his risk was, let's say, 500 pips. It's like here his trade would have happened. Let's say this trade. He took trade somewhere here. 500 pips like this. 1,000 pips like this. Should come to 1 to 2, right? 1 second. Yeah, like this. This is some YouTuber. He'll tell you that he has captured how many pips? 1,000 pips. But he won't, his risk is also that much, right? His risk is almost 500 pips. But the same thing, there's another guy who takes the same trade right here. His stop loss will be 5 pips, but his take profit is 10 pips. If I risk the same amount, this guy and this guy, they both are same. It's a simple math. This guy and this guy, they both made the same amount. This guy is flexing that he caught this big move. This guy is not flexing. People will scam, tell him that he's a scam. But yeah, work on your risk to reward more. Sorry, work on both the things. How much is your win rate? Let's say win rate is like 50%. Okay, with a 50% win rate, 50% win rate, 1:1. If you have like more than 50%, am I making it? No, I'll revise again and tell you guys. So more than 50% win rate, 1 to 1, you are a profitable trader. Okay. Just focus on how you can manage both the things. Try figuring out how much RR you can hold. Let's say one guy can hold 1.5 RR. That's what I'm comfortable with. I can't hold more than 1.5 RR. And my win rate is more than 55, 60%. My win rate is around 55%. Okay, so I'm profitable. That's how it works. Just figure out this optimal balance where you can do this one thing. If you learn, no, everything is done. Find out your what is ideal win rate that you're taking. Same strategy. Don't like switch strategy. Same strategy, same situation. If you take like a trade, search, figure out what is your RRR. Just go back test once again. Just go FX replay. Trade for like 3, 4 hours. It'll show you what's your overall win rate. My overall win rate is somewhere close to 60% right now. Okay, in backtesting and forward testing is like little different. So in backtesting, if my win rate is 60%, if I capture 1:1 only, 1:1.5 or 1:1, I'm profitable. So just keep this. Don't switch it to 1:1, 1.1:5 or 1:6. If you increase this, this will automatically decrease and your psychology will get messed up. Don't do this. Okay. So do go one thing, just backtest a lot, figure out what is your RR and risk to reward. Some guy tolerance is good. He can take 1 to 6, like 1 to 6 or something. And his capacity of holding is very good. He can do that if he can do. It's very profitable for him. He can't trade 1 to 1. I'm telling right. If I'm taking 1 to 1, other guy can't trade 1 to 1. Some guys there who can at least hold like three hour and then if he takes losses. So find that optimal balance. For some guy it's like, oh my god, it hit my draw. Yeah. Overall trade was good only. Sorry. So try finding out what's your optimal. If you can hold like longer, if you can hold longer, if it's 30% win rate, 30% win rate, but you can hold like 1 to 3. Just stick with this. Just stick with this, which makes you profitable. Just work on like basic math. I hesitate for like good setups, ended up taking shit risks. Then your confidence is low. Just backtest. Again, that thing. Backtest will give you confidence on when to execute and to not. Again, just go backtest a lot so that you won't get hesitated. Backtest helps you in like building confidence and yeah, executing your trades. To be very honest, if FX replay was not there 1 to 1.5 years ago, I wouldn't be profitable. You can like go test out any strategy which is there. If I see something, if it's working, let's say Kane strategy, that's how I figured it out. Even Kane doesn't tell that he uses this and that. When I found Kane, he never used to explain his trade setups. I had to figure it out on my own. Now he's explaining, but yeah, it's still not in detail. I would have like caught the low of the day. This is where I took trade. This this was my stop loss. Imagine I holded it. Oop, 1:18. I didn't know, no, it'll happen like that. Just go figure. This is the thing that people don't tell. You have to figure out your own win rate and risk to reward. No one's gonna tell you that. Everyone dies for strategy, but no one dies for like what really works and what really doesn't. Like sometimes, yeah, I take loss, but that's the part, right? If you have 50% win rate, one setup is gonna win, one setup was gonna lose. That's the basic math. You have to control your losses. That's also a very key thing. If you see if this probability is working, one win and one loss, okay, and you take a bad setup, what happens? It'll become one win and two loss. You should get next win again, one win. Otherwise, this thing will go. This PNL curve will go lower because your probability is gonna decrease. Your win rate is gonna decrease. So that also have to work. Right now, markets are looking bad. Took an L today. It's fine, bro. Happens. Everyone takes. Just chill out. It's better that you stop like just stop trading and just close your laptop or just play Dota. Sorry, not Dota. Sorry, any game you have. That's what I do. If I lose, I just start playing Dota. I was to play Counter Strike, but I can't play Counter Strike in Mac. That's the biggest problem. I don't think so. I'll do anything other than trading. It's addict. You can't once you start trading, you can't leave trading. I don't know what to tell. Once you're into trading, you can't leave trading. That's the worst thing. It's very bad. It's like literally drugs. Drugs is better than trading. All the pair sucks. Bitcoin reacting to this 4 hour gap was like in a very tough spot, but yeah, I knew this thing is gonna happen, you know. Look at how the weekly closed. This week it closed above the fair value gap. Daily also it's like flipping. This fair value gap is holding. It's like generational wealth. It can just go higher again. I feel like if people want to make generational wealth, it's this area right here, this blue box. Last time was this red box. This time is this blue box. Every time you get an opportunity. See here also this parallel channel, we came to this fair value gap, tap the C of the thing. Before taking payout, how many accounts did you blow? Starting I blew two 5K account and then 150K account. That's it. I barely blow the account. The thing is that the, the daily drawdown sucks or in Apex this thing is the continuous drawdown. That due to those drawdown I don't feel like trading. I just leave it. It's very rarely that I blow. Because that's the thing, bro. I risk very less. I manage my risk management. Bro, teach me entry, when to enter. I'm too much confused. I follow trend, but I'm confused to enter on a trade. You can do this though. If you don't know where the price is gonna go on to like higher time frame wise, mark the all unfilled gaps. Most probably price goes from external to internal. How many days did you clear your eval account? 15 days. I used to take time though. 5K I took a month to clear, because the thing is that 5K account in CFD ought to make 10% profit in phase one, then 5% more. It took me more than a month just to clear that account. But futures is easy. Probably if I can do it in one day. I can literally do it in one day, but I don't want to like do that. Uh, I have to risk like 2-3% just full port. If I'm if I feel like it's about to be like be blow, it's near to be blown or something, do that, or full port news. Okay, I was explaining, right? Price moves from internal to external, like entry wise, right? If this is your trend, something like this. What price does this? Price goes to these external first, and then from there it goes to internal. This is your internal, like a fair value gap, or let's say an order block right here. There's an order block, right? That's change in state. So price usually retrace down, pushes higher, retrace down, pushes higher. Always find your draws on liquidity. Always know where price wants to go. How you gonna know? And just go into like higher time frame wise. Okay. So when I was entering longs right here, what do I see as this unfilled gap right here? Okay. So if you mark premium discount, this comes in unfilled gap. Okay. So where is it? It comes in like a discounted area. From here, what I can do, I can target these highs. So price usually acts as magnet. So why did I try looking for longs from here, not from here or here? Because if you go back, we hit the slow right here. So this is your external lows. From external, where does it go? It goes to internal. So that's what I'm trying to explain. So once it goes right here, do this. So once we take out some external liquidity, we usually go to like internal liquidity. So find what you want to trade first. Do you want to like go from external to internal, or from internal like a fair value gap to external to these highs? So find out where you want to go entry wise. So from there, either look for a higher time frame wise fair value gap tap. So let's say here a 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour gap gets tapped, and then switch to like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Find the highest time frame inversion and try taking entry like that. So right here there'll be an inversion. Try taking longs. So what is this? So we are moving from internal to external range. So what is your external range? Is this high right here? Can you do that? Like do that in back testing, and you're gonna understand how to do. So right here, what happened? So these are like internal, right? This is your external. If you go into like 1 hour, sorry, 1 minute, this becomes your external. See, it's outside, outside, outside. In that you have fair value gap, fair value gap. So what is happening right now is swept low, trying to go where internal liquidity. From internal, what will happen? Either it's gonna break and continue to this high, or it's gonna fall and continue to this low. So this is your key levels. And from here, what you're gonna do is see what all fair value gap. Right now, what do we have? 15 minute. 15 minute, we are trying to create this fair value gap. We're trying to create this fair value gap. Okay, hourly we have this fair value gap. So once this candle closes, there's a chance that it will come down. So you have to wait for that. Okay, so always wait for an internal fair value gap tap, and then try low time frame inversion setups. Right here, what happened? This is your external draw. Okay, previous day high. It automatically marks out. So this is your previous day high. This is your high time frame key level. So what happened? Price consolidated Asia came lower to where? To this new day opening gap. This whole area is like a new day. So what it does, it's a fair value gap actually. New day opening gap basically acts like a fair value gap. So price didn't close below. If it closed below, where price should go? Here. But what happened? We came internal. From internal, where do we go? External. This is your external range. So from here, what are you gonna mark? Mark out. You don't want to capture the whole move, right? You can't do that. So right here, if your bias is bullish, what you can do? Mark out this high right here. What is this high? Now I'll remove this. Okay, this is your 15-minute unfilled gap. So price, okay, a fair value gap which has not been traded yet. Okay, so this is your 15-minute fair value gap. If you go on 1 hour, here you can see there's a 1 hour fair value gap which is not tapped yet. Okay, and we swept up this flow. SMT was there. So what you can do, your bias is clear that price wants to go this. This is your draw. This high right here, this high right here. That's your draw. So go lower time frame, find any inversion. So right here, you see this inversion right here. Try entering longs after it closes. Does it has? There's no inversion right there. There's one here which I took. Inversion right here. Entry, stop loss below, swing low, swing high. Target these draws. Just find this thing. It'll work for you. Find your draws. Draws is the only main thing. Draws and how you manage your position. Right now, let's say your draws were like lower. You try shorting here, somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here. But yeah, your draws are only not clear. But what will happen? You get stopped out. Find your optimal draws, then try taking trades based on them. Find a perfect strategy, and then look for entries. Entry, just do on inversions. And how many days did you clear your eval account? 15 days. I did answer that, right? What's your ideal SL for a trade for 25K account? It's $150. I would keep $150 like strict. For 25K, it's very good. See, right now we are trading in this 5 minute gap. So this is your internal, where's your external? External is this side. So try looking for some inversions here. See to take price sell here. That's your only goal. I will clear 50K account in the first week because the monthly reset will be on 18 December. You have time, bro. 18 December, you have a lot of time. Take it a bit slow, but not too slow. I'll probably full put one account in news or something. I just want to get it done. One hour has like no bottom width. Price might flip here. Yeah, price might flip here. This can be your like sniper entry shots. Something like this. I'm just saying, I'm trying to figure out how to trade rejection vex. I'm just figuring out. I'm not taking trade. I'm not entering trade right here. So this concept is like there's one more concept which is very good. Just when the this thing new candle opens, okay, the new 4 hour candle, always mark out the body where it opens. Right now it opens right here, right? Look at this. This is your manipulation leg. Entry right here. 10 point stop loss. There's a guy who trades this. The XL 126 would have got. Probably I'll go, guys. It's been like 1.5 hours. No good setups. I really want to look for like some shots. For how much time you trade for session? Per session, I trade 1.5 hour max. I close it before 10 or 9:30. Actually, I'm above past my this thing trading time. So yeah, guys, bye bye. Take care.